This Alexa update will change how you speak to your Amazon Echo. Amazon is working on a new mode for its talkative Amazon Echo smart speaker range that could change how you interact with the AI-powered smart home system. Amazon is testing a dramatic change to its Echo smart speaker range. The US retail company is said to be testing a new mode that would help replace its usual talkative responses with a series of beeps. A number of Reddit users have spotted a new brief mode inside the Alexa app. Toggling on this mode replaces spoken responses with a series of simple beeps when tasks have been completed. So, for instance, ask Alexa to turn on the lights in your living room and the AI-powered smart speaker will beep affirmatively a la R2-D2 instead of speaking when the request has been completed. It's a small tweak, but it could make the chatty virtual assistant feel less omnipresent in your home. Amazon is keeping quiet about its new mode at the moment. It's possible the so-called brief mode will never see a wide release following these limited beta tests.